DJ NTV.
Welcome to TJMTV Daily News Update, your one-stop channel for everything news and gist happening all over the world. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time this video got to you. And if this is your first time of seeing any of our videos, please don't forget to go a step further, like, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you'll be one of the first persons to know whenever we drop a new video. Now let's take you straight up to the main news. Just in. They don't postpone Nnamdi Kanu case again, go February 16, 2022 for the 6th time. This one is still DJMTV Daily News Update. The leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, we don't did the detention facility of the Department of State Services, Abuja, since when they bring her come back from Kenya, enter Nigeria to court face charges wey border on terrorism and other things, don't go court and you don't appear before Justice Binta Nyako or the Federal High Court wey sit down for inside Abuja. We go recall say na just for December 2021 na they postpone the case enter 18th and 19th of January 2022, and as he appear before the Federal High Court judge Justice Binta Nyako, after he don listen to the case when he plead not guilty on top of the 15-count amended charges where they add join the previous one wey don dey before, for the 6th time wey like say the government don dey amend the charge against Nnamdi Kanu. He say everything wey they talk so he not do anyone, and so he take plead not guilty before Justice Binta Nyako. This na still DJMTV Daily News Update, your one-stop channel where they give you better gist and news. If you just join us, you never really miss anything. May you don't forget to like this video, share this video, and of course subscribe to this channel. Now we carry waka continue with the talk. So what will the talk be? Say Nnamdi Kanu appear for court today, the 19th of January 2022, before Justice Binta Nyako. We remember say on the 18th of January 2022 when he appeared before Justice Binta Nyako, lawyers plead say may they adjourn the case go 19th of January. Say because they never even see the 15-count amended charges wey be like say the government bring against the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra. So they say our government, although they get right to amend the charges, say but to they amend the charges a day before the court hearing, now something will be like say them no like. But for inside the court sitting on the 19th of January 2022, Nnamdi Kanu say he plead not guilty on top of the charges wey be like say government say now alleged treasonable felony, terrorism, and other related offenses. And after I talk this one, the prosecution counsel, where they call Shaibu Labara, court say he dey very ready to proceed with the trial as long as the court give go ahead. But the leader of the team for Nnamdi Kanu will be Mike Ozekome, will be one better senior advocate of Nigeria, don't talk say he get 2 applications to file for court, and he could challenge the validity of the charge where they level against him and the jurisdiction where they judge the case. According to Ozekome, he to say the entire count of the charges where like say government they bring against Nnamdi Kanu, now what they do intentionally just to continue to postpone this trial till when they like, say because the charges they watery, they don't get base, and they be like pack of card, they be like say go just for Yakata. According to what he talk, now then Binta Nyako come look the matter where say okay, on February 16, 2022, now she go dey ready to commence the trial of the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu. You see there with us for DJMTV Daily News Update, where they give you the correct, fresh gist as they take the share inside Nigeria and all over the world. If you just join us, you never to miss anything. And don't forget to like this video, share this video, and of course, subscribe to this channel. Now, what will be the talk before? I'll be saying the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, don't plead not guilty through a team of lawyers. So it be like saying Mike Ozekome and I lead. But don't forget say for December they adjourn the case come. Now they don't re-adjourn the case again now based on say the lawyer to say the amended charges will be like say the federal government bring come will be 15 counts now. They just give them on the 17th of January 2022 in the evening, said barely 24 hours before court hearing go start Ozeko Mekoto say this matter be like so they never even look the thing well. Say and they very very sure say the lawyer will be like say he want defend the federal government. Never even read wetin they even give am safe at all. But in they very surprised. The lawyer say in they ready to commence the trial. But for inside the matter, Binta Yanko call look all the argument wey they bring Congress. Cause and say okay, I will give all of una time when I go study the new 15 count amended charges. They make una come back. We go start the trial proper on the 16th of February 2022. Meanwhile, for inside one federal high court for inside Abia State, now there Nnamdi Kanu win the federal government as the lawyers Aloy Ejimako and others stand for them on his behalf on top of the plea where they give say Nnamdi Kanu no jackpot comot for Nigeria as the federal government they talk say but the thing be say in be dey house will be like say military call attack and a fear of his life na make a jackpot at that time so that he go stay say na who dey alive na they fit the judge case. And on top of that one, the court called award Nnamdi Kanu a compensatory amount of 1 million naira. Like I said, the federal government go pay give am, and also the same federal government write apology letter to Nnamdi Kanu and make the publish and make the whole country for see am. Now still DJMTV Daily News Update now be this, and if you just join us, welcome. Don't forget to like this video, share this video, and of course subscribe to this channel. So the story we will bring on be say on top of the case, like I said, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra take go court. Court don't grant say they go commence the trial now on the 16th of February 2022. Binta Yanko will be the federal high court judge wey sit down for Abuja to say now the 16th of February 2022 she was ready to commence the trial, and the lawyers to Nnamdi Kanu they led by Mike Ozeko Mekoto say the way the federal government they bring amended charges against Nnamdi Kanu, they no like am. Not be saying not get right to bring amended charges. Say but they go they give the amended charges a night before the court go commence. So this one are just deliberate attempt by the federal government to continue to postpone the case, and they not like the way this thing they go. Now since when they announced to say Nnamdi Kanu, they don't adjourn the case again to 16th of February 2022. Many people don't say the way the government they go about the things. So many of us now what they think now they want to one guy don't come out for inside social media say he don't get classified information said this government just want delay this thing. At the end of the day, they go make sure say they imprison Nnamdi Kanu until President Muhammadu Buhari come out for power for inside 2020. All those are still speculations, na still allegations, which the federal government never come as I call deny or call accept. But people they say if that's what the matter be, that means say the things where they really happen for the southeastern part of the country. If I say the federal government they really they enjoy the wahala and make they already say because also what they do now, they make the people they more agitated, and it go make the peace for that place not ever come as the government say they want time. Another set of people also advise the federal government say if they want they amend the charges, they amend the charges. Just as they amend as well they add from 7 count to 7 count amended. Now that be 15 count amended charges. Say they want to do them. Maybe they inform the lawyers to Nnamdi Kanu on time so that they go prepare their defense against waiting they bring. They consider this idea of say they go they take them by surprise every evening to the court hearing. They go just give the paper say we don't amend the charges. So those will not really make sense. They go to make people they talk and people go they believe the speculations where they go around for town. We still there together for here for DJMTV Daily News Update, and if you just join us, don't forget to like this video, share this video, and of course subscribe to this channel. Thank you for follow us reach the ending of the video. But now one more thing now you go still do for us. This matter what we carry court give you, so it go make sense if you say still chook mouth put for the matter. How you see the fact that we adjourn the case again go February 16th 2022. You believe Justice Binta Yanko as she tell us say the trial will commence. Now that day that she go start the trial proper 16th of February 2022. Drop your thoughts and comment for inside the comment section for button. Welcome back. Thank you so much for staying with us till the end of this video. But before we go, we just want to let you know that we're also on Facebook and on Instagram at DJMTV. Also check out our website at www.djmtv.news. There we drop news 247 non-stop. Do not forget that you could also place your advert with us here on DJMTV News, and be rest assured that your business will get to the desired market. Well, so we'll come your way again with another edition of DJN TV Daily News Update. I remain your host, Laura Favor.
Yeah.
DJN TV. DJN TV.
People are people don't say no, they don't like us.
Welcome to DJN TV.
DJN TV. DJN TV. DJN TV. DJN TV.
Some of the delegates and ask their questions.
DJN TV. DJN TV. DJN TV. DJN TV.